IoT kit.
Start.
This is Anshuman's Expo IoT kit. This is Raspberry Pi. This is TFT LCD display, which is connected through HDMI port to Raspberry Pi. This is GPIO sensors, LED, IR sensor, LDR sensor. Then this is over here we have I2C sensors like altimeter, gyroscope, then light and IR, RTC, ADC. So you have to connect the power supply to DC jack on the power supply. You will see the Raspberry Pi display on TFT LCD. Connect the USB keyboard and mouse to USB port. This is the display of desktop, Raspberry Pi desktop. Then for running the program, open the folder on desktop, MB. Then in that we have two folders, GPIO sensor and I2C sensor. All this information, all the information about sensors are is given in SW, and program is given in IG of IoT. Then open GPIO sensor, and connection details are given in IoT Expo IoT IG. So you have to connect if you want to now we are going to run LED Blink program. So open the LED Blink folder, and here you have you will see LED.py. This is Python program. So .py is the extension for Python program. Then right click on the .py file and choose option Python 3. It will open the Python program in Python window. So you have to just make a connection like this using patch cord, and click on F5 to run the program. You will see the output of the program on Python shell and as well as hardware. Here LEDs are blinking one by one. So this is basic LED blinking program. Then we have LDR sensor. Open LDR folder and LDR.py. Using same method, right click and choose Python 3 option. It will also open the program file. This is the program. Then we have to connect, make a connection for this. LDR is connected to pin number 10 of Raspberry Pi. This is 40 pin header. So 10th pin of Raspberry Pi 40 pin header, and it is connected to J15 of 2. This connection is given in Expo IoT IG. So you can refer that. Click on F5. LDR sensor detects light. So click on F5, or you can go to run option on the Python window and click on run module. It will run the program. So it is detected the light. When you place torch or some light on this LDR, so it is detected light, and if you put a finger, then no light. So this is basic light detection program using LDR sensor. temperature sensor DHT11. So connect this sensor like in this manner, that is this part of sensor, it face towards the right side. So connect here at U12 and open the folder of DHT temperature DHT11, and in that DHT11.py. So you will see the temperature sensor program. So click on F5 to run the code. Sensors. For I2C sensors, you have to connect pin 3, that is SCL, to pin 3 of J21, and pin 5, that is SDA, to pin 1 of J22. So to detect the I2C addresses, you have to open LX terminal. You will see the LX terminal window on display. Then give command sudo I2C detect -y1 to detect the I2C addresses, that is which sensors are connected to I2C bus. So hit enter. You will see the addresses here. Focus करो. So for now we have 5 sensors connected to I2C bus. Now we will see the programming. Open the folder. Now we will see the altimeter sensor, which give a pressure and temperature. So open the altimeter folder and right click on altimeter alt.py python file and open in Python 3. It will open the altimeter code. Then press F5 to see the output. You will see on Python window pressure, altitude, temperature in Celsius, temperature in Fahrenheit. So this is for altimeter sensor. If you want date and time, current today's date and time, then click on RTC folder, rtc.py. It will give you today's time and date. Click on F5. You will see today's date and time, exact time, on Python shell. So this is RTC sensor, and
आता रेकॉर्डिंग चालू.
हां वर आला स्टार्ट.
होईल ना. This is gesture sensor, which it detects hand movement, up, down, left, right. So this is module. So you have to connect to Raspberry Pi using patch cords. So here we are connecting signals, the ground, VCC, SDA, SCL, and interrupt. So connect the ground pin to J10 of 7, and VCC pin to J10 of 2. Then SDA connected to pin 3 of 40 pin header. SCL connected to pin 5 of 40 pin header, and interrupt pin is connected to J35 second number pin. J35 here, second number pin. So Now you have to detect address of this IC, gesture IC. So you have to give sudo I2C detect -y1 command to on LX terminal, and you will see the 39 address of this IC. So the sensor is detected. Now open the folder of NB and I2C sensor and IR gesture. Here you will see gesture.py Python program. Open on Python 3 using Python 3. It will open the Python code. Then click on F5 to run the code. You will see the gesture up, down, right, left, right, left, left, right, up, down, down, then left, left, right, down, if you can't see any output on the window, then check the connections or lose patch cord, or run the code again. You will see the up, down, right, right, left, right, left, up, down, up, down. So it will just detect the hand movement or gesture.